What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 high income skills that every marketer needs to develop, and what they are and what they're not. Hey, what's going on? Again, it's Kevin J. Pino. Welcome to my kitchen. I got some stuff here. Check it out. Gingerbread. Oh, that stuff is amazing. We're going to watch the football game later. All right, so high income skills, what are they, why you need them, and what they are not? Well, if you noticed, if you've been watching my stuff at my channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, you probably should, but you notice that I might have a little bit of a lisp because I have my retainers in. I've actually been spending the last several years working in orthodontics as an orthodontic technician. Sorry for the mess there. I hope the lighting's good. I'm kind of shooting from the hip. Now, it sounds like a big thing working in orthodontics. Oof, the light, oh my God, guys. Sorry for the, the weird adjustments and all this. Whoops. I'm not gonna edit that, whatever. It sounds like a big high-end crazy thing, but really the high-end income doesn't really, or the high income skills don't really come in until you're an actual orthodontist or a dentist, or the actual manufacturer producing the work. The skills that I have, are more of a lower mid-level income. They're not extraordinarily high, but they are very critical skills, very niche down. It's a pretty safe place to work if you know how to work in that field, but I wouldn't call it a high income skill. And that's what I promised you. So for affiliate marketing, if you're building a business on the side, I think it's the best place to do it is affiliate marketing, because it's so flexible. You can do it in your spare time. You can do it with a simple setup like this. But the skills that you need, number one, is lead generation. The ability to generate leads, to capture people's information and to potentially turn them into a paying customer in the future. That, my friend, is a huge income skill because it generates revenue for your business or another business. If you're starting your own marketing agency, or you have your own small business that you are developing on your own, the ability to get leads, potential new customers coming in, is critical to the survival of your business. You have to be bringing in new people. That would be number one. If you learn that skill, well, then there's some hope for you, because now you can start bringing in people, potential customers. A lead is just anyone that can become a potential customer. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to have huge dossier on someone. Just the ability to have their contact information, they're potentially a new customer. So it doesn't have to be some groundbreaking skills, but the ability to do that is number one. Number two, I would say, is copywriting skills. The ability to write copy, not go to some legal, talk to your lawyer and sustain the rights to a certain brand or something like that. That's a different type of copyrights. We're talking copywriting, COPYWRITNG. I'm a terrible speller. This is the ability to write persuasive text, to persuade someone to take an action through an advertisement or an email, or just the notes on or writing on your brand. The ability to write that way or script something that way to get someone to take action, to drive them to a call to action, like liking this video. I had to do it. Copywriting is a huge skill, and you actually can make if you become an actual professional copywriter, you can make a large income just in doing that. There are some people that make 6-7-figure incomes from that. The next, all right, so you're gonna wanna get some skills on that and start reading up on it. The third income skill is sales and presentation, being able to sell and present something to be sold, to talk to someone, to give a presentation, to make a video like this, to do a one-on-one interaction, to make a presentation to a large group of people, group trainings or anything like that. is a higher income skill, because you're not just doing something one time for a small amount of money. You can leverage that. I'll give you an example. If you were let's say you were a guitar technician, because I talk about music all the time. If you know how to fix a guitar, you can charge someone $50 or $100 to fix that guitar. And if you could fix it in an hour, that's great, all right? But if you know how to teach it to someone, you can have a seminar or a clinic and charge $100 for that clinic and do it to 20 people in that hour. So what is that, 2,000? That's a lot of money. I'm not even gonna do the math. I've been in those situations myself where you do a group lesson, either teaching someone or training someone how to do it. You can now leverage that into a higher income skill, because you can spread it out, or you can market and sell someone a specific training or an event or a coaching and consulting, and people will pay you lots of money for this stuff because it saves them time and will help them make more money in the future. It's a high income skill. So these are things that you want to develop in any area, totally transferable things, but especially in affiliate marketing. If you want to get started, you can go down in the description below and take the challenge at kevinjpino.com/success. Enter in your email. I'll give you a free video on how to get started and some of the skills that you're going to learn. And you can start implementing some of these skills on your own right away.